Hey, what's up guys, welcome back with Anfas Ahmed. Today I am going to review special product in my day-to-day life. You have seen that product in almost my videos, that is the MI band. This is the band. It's MI band 3. It's very useful for me and the battery lasts around almost 20 days, at least 2 weeks, and you can full charge almost from about around 2 to 3 hours. You can full charge this, and but there is a small issue. You can't control music from this, but you can measure your heart rate, and you can check your calories and your steps, how many steps you have walked during the day, the kilometers or your miles. You can change the unit and the battery life. Then you can check your heart rate, and you can connect to the MI app, and you can check the weathers, today's and tomorrow's and the day after weather and notifications of your mobile phone. It's compatible to iOS and Android also, both the devices. It's working very fine with my iPhone 11 that I am recording, but I can show it because I am recording that one. And you can check the dates and the day and the year and the month. It's usual, and you can use for stopwatch and time setter. That will be useful when you are studying or doing any workout and those stuff. And there is a special 2 modes, that is treadmill and workout mode, that can be used to count your heart rate, your calories, burn calories and those stuff. And there are some more functions that can be find the device, and you can change the screen, and you can factory reset the MI band. You can check the about. Now let's take the box of it, what it came from. This is the box that came. And guys, this is almost 5 years with this year that I have bought, but there is no any issues up to now. I have used in swimming pools and waterfalls and any other. It is waterproof and dust proof. And guys, you can charge this after removing this band. It's very easy, and you can take the charger and put it in, and you can use the USB-A, any dock you want. It will charge within 2 to 3 hours maximum, and you can put it like this. It's a disadvantage when it compares to the model 4, 5, 6. In those models, you don't want to remove from the band. You can just clip it. It has a magnetic feature like MagSafe, the magnetic connector it has. It's very easy. And let's see what came with the box. This is the box. It's very new. After even 5 years, we can open. Here's the place where the MI band came, and this is the package where I bought with the kit of the MI band, the charger and 2 MI bands. But there is a small issue where those bands cut off after some time, but you can buy these bands. It's very cheap. It's around $2 to $3 in the Amazon, AliExpress and those stuff. I'll put the Amazon link in the below description. And there you can buy in several colors like white, black or blue, like this one. And guys, now I'll show how to use the MI app to connect to the MI band. And guys, this is an important information. There are so many fake products like this. Be careful when you're purchasing, but there are some QR code and scanning methods to check whether it's original or not. And guys, I will show how to connect this MI band to the MI app, and I'll show how to set up and those stuff. Let's take my phone. It's iPhone 11, my iPhone 11. If you didn't watch that unboxing, you can watch in the card here, and the link are in the description also. First of all, go to App Store, because of this is an iPhone. If you are in Android, you can go to Play Store and search for MI band. I have used in Android and iPhone also. And this is the app, MI Fit. I have already downloaded it. If you didn't download it, you can download it and click on open, and it will show the steps I have walked today. It's very low because I was taking these videos and stuff and editing the previous video. There are 4 tabs in the app. It's status, walking, running and cycling. If you pull down the app, it will load to synchronize with the MI band. If you already have connected to this, if you didn't have connected to this, you can go to profile and my devices. Under my devices you can click on add device and it will show 4 categories: band, watch, smart shoes and scales. We want to connect to band, then you can click on band and you can go through the setups, and I will go through my MI band. You can see that it's now 12%. The last charge is 13 days ago. It will last another 5-6 days, and after that I will put into charge. You can see my incoming calls are, the notification is on, and event reminders are there, and I have set up 5 alarms. It's the best alarm I have ever seen, and app notifications, idle alert and so many other notifications and reminders are you can set up. You can find the band also using this app. It will vibrate the MI band. After you connect to the MI application, you can check the weather also. It should be connected within 3 days, because in the MI band it will show up to 3 days. Thank you guys. Please subscribe, like and share. We'll see in a new video. The recommended videos and links are the below description, and the videos will be in the card here and somewhere in the screen. Please subscribe, like and share. We'll see in a new video. Thank you. Bye. Peace.